Try to make for you a nap video, a beach workout video. So let's see how it goes. Let's start now. So we're gonna do a couple of exercises, one of my favorites. So let's start with some crunches to warm up a little bit. Let's go. I'm just gonna switch because the sun is a little too strong for me. All right, we're gonna keep going with side crunches. So let's go, 20 on each side. All right, now relax a little bit. We're gonna do crisscross. Go back for some crunches and I do 30 again. Oh, I have sand all over. Getting a tan at the same time, as you can see. A little bit. We're gonna go back for the side crunches, 20 on each side. Tanning for now. Let's go. We have a thunderstorm coming right now. We're gonna try to finish the abs workout as fast as we can for you guys to have a nice video. All right. Oh. All right, crisscross again, 20. Break. We're gonna go back again for some crunches. 30, same thing. Let's go. So we go back for 30 crunches. All right, now side crunches again. I cannot see anything. 20. Seconds, it's really hot out here, and we finish with the crisscross again. 20. Woo. All right. So here you go for the workout on the beach, the abs workout. For now it's raining on us, so I'm pretty happy. Let me know what you think about this workout in the comments part, and I will go check for it. See you next time. Coming right now, but I need to get in the water because it's so hot that I cannot handle it anymore. This is from Florida, guys. This is Miami. I'm about to fail. There are so many rocks in here. I wanted to do another workout for you guys, but let's see how it goes. I'm not sure about it right now. If y'all get lucky, you will have few from today. But for now, I'm a little pessimistic. What do you think? Oh, well. All right, let's get back. Next workout, if I don't tell. Lucky we have to work. I think it's coming for real. Gonna get completely, I mean, I'm already wet because I went in the water, but it's not the same thing. And it starts really being dark out there, so well, let's see how it goes on for the videos. But it will be a little, maybe a little too dark. We go under some trees right now, try to find protection against the thunderstorm. Well, the big storm is coming, so we're gonna stay under protection of those trees out here. Actually, that's kind of scary, but well, let's see. I'm not sure we'll protect anything, but that's the best idea I had for now, so whatever. You hear that? That's on me. Out here. Oh, that's good. Kind of love that. It's a nice place to record also. Let's go.